1, 2, 3, 4.
I am not a raincoat here to keep you warm. Then go back in the closet after the storm. No, I'm not a match simply waiting to burn. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. I'm not your impression of a city you wish you loved more than everything you gave for it. No, I'm not here to criticize the risk. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. I am not a witness here to call you in for the things that you done or that thing that you did. And I'm not the shadow of anyone you've been. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. Surely your eyes feel the weight of my love. I have never been more swept away, left undone, taken by beauty. My heart is alive. I am holding a treasure more precious than time. Just hold me close. You're free from harm. I'll keep you safe here in my arms. Just before dawn, you hear me say, morning has come to welcome the day. Let yourself go, let your heart settle down. I have no place to go when your smile comes around. You are my heaven, the star in my sky, guiding me to a promise of love satisfied. Just hold me close. You're free from harm. I'll keep you safe here in my arms. Just before dawn, you hear me say, morning has come to welcome the day. Fall fast asleep, I'll be here till you wake. In the morning I'll be ready to laugh, run and play. Rest in my love for the night running out just a little while longer. Can I hold You guarded your heart away. You wanted to fight this feeling. I thought it was nothing. We turned into something else. Now when I take a look around, this is just what I wanted. I thought that we were going down. I'm so glad that I fought it, 'cause we're here now, here now. Baby, we were on and on and on and off again. But this time around I see it through a different lens. Now that we're standing in the sunlight, sunlight. Now that I'm looking into your eyes, it feels right. Yeah, we were always on and on and on and off again. This time I swear it's different. We've been through our seasons, but we're doing better now. These days I can't fight this feeling. I used to need therapy, but you gave me clarity. Now when I look around, this is just what I wanted. And I just needed you to break me down, so I could finally be honest, honest, honest. Baby, we were on and on and on and off again. But this time around I see it through a different lens. Now that we're standing in the sunlight, sunlight. Now that I'm looking into your eyes, it feels right. Yeah, we were always on and on and on and off again. This time I swear it's different. Now when I take a look around, this is just what I wanted. I thought that we were going down.